Good morning. Today's my lecture topic is comparison of petrol and diesel engine. Why we are comparing petrol and diesel engine means nowadays the diesel vehicles will give more efficiency compared to the petrol engine. That's why we are comparing petrol engine with a diesel engine. So nowadays, because if you compare the nowadays the on-road price of the diesel means diesel is less price compared to petrol. That's why we are going to the diesel engine. If you use what are the parameters considered while comparing between petrol and diesel engine means first parameter we are using is fuel used. In petrol engine the fuel used is petrol. The other name of petrol is gasoline. In diesel engine the fuel used is diesel. That is the first parameter. In the second parameter, ignition type. What way we are giving ignition to these two engines. In petrol engine, spark ignition will be provided, that is using spark plug. In diesel engine there is no spark plug, instead of the compression ignition, because the diesel engine has a higher compression ratio. That's why the compression it will automatically ignite, no need of spark plug is required. The third point when we are comparing petrol and diesel engines are the parameter include air fuel mixture formation. In petrol engine, formed air in carburetor or fuel injector. That is in petrol engine, because carburetor is essential in petrol engine, but in case of diesel engine no carburetor is required. Instead of that, fuel injected directly into the compressed air. So the fuel injector is required in diesel engine. The third parameter in the petrol engine, while comparing petrol and diesel engine, is compression ratio. Compression ratio is nothing but the maximum volume to the minimum volume. In case of petrol engine, the compression ratio is very less, that is 6:1 to 10:1 maximum. While comparing diesel engine, the compression ratio is more, that is 14:1 into 22:1, because that's why the compression ratio is high in diesel engine. While we are in the parameter considering the efficiency wise, the petrol engine gives lower thermal efficiency, but the diesel engine give higher thermal efficiency. There is the efficiency wise while we are comparing, diesel engine gives maximum efficiency. Next one is power output, means higher RPM and power for same size in petrol engine. In case of diesel engine, more torque but lower RPM. That is the main thing in case of power output. Next parameter while comparing petrol and diesel engine is fuel consumption. Fuel consumption in petrol engine higher, in diesel engine fuel consumption is lower. That is in case of we are telling it as a more mileage in diesel engine. While comparing petrol engine, diesel engine gives more mileage. Maintenance cost wise while we are comparing, in petrol engine generally the maintenance cost is less, but in case of diesel engine higher due to heavy parts and fuel system. That is the maintenance cost wise diesel engine has some disadvantage. The initial cost, while the parameter considering the initial cost, a petrol engine is cheaper and a diesel engine has some more expensive, because fuel injector and other parts we are using, so that the initial cost of the diesel engine will be more comparing to petrol engine. Engine weight is lighter in case of petrol engine and heavier in case of the diesel engine. That's why the engine cost is high. In engine weight is heavier in diesel engine. Another parameter while considering means noise and vibration. In petrol engine, smoother and quieter is available in case of noise and vibration. Plus in diesel engine, some noise will be available, and also some vibration will be available in the diesel engine. The lubricants wise, whether it is lubricants requirement is required or not means, in petrol engine lubrication requirement is very less, but in case of diesel engine the lubrication is very much needed. Emission wise while we are comparing petrol engine means carbon monoxide emission in petrol engine is more. In case of diesel engine the carbon monoxide emission is less because of the complete combustion of the diesel. while in the application wise, the petrol engine gives cars, bikes, scooters and all, and diesel engine trucks, buses, and these are the uses. Thank you.